Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Tuti Alia and my partner are Mustafa Yasin, Tasrini, Aan Yulianto, Ing Farihin, and Isna. Today, we will discuss about application of word learning media to improve the creative thinking abilities of three class primary school student in learning science. The first part will be presented by Rini, the second part will be presented by Yasin, three part by me, and then the conclusion from our lecturer. Let's start this discussion in a relax. Okay, please Rini.
Okay, thank you. Definition and indicator of creativity thinking ability. Word learning media. Steps for implementing media. Advantages and disadvantages of media. The facts of natural science learning. One of the higher order thinking abilities, creative thinking skill, are cognitive skill for generating and developing new ideas as a development of ideas that have been born previously and divergent problem solving skill or creative thinking skill in science learning direct student to think creatively and understand natural phenomena, fundamental problems of humans and life, and the surrounding environment. However, in reality, creative thinking abilities are less stimulated, so students are not used to thinking in various directions and with various possible solutions to the problem. One of the learning media that can be used is word learning media. Word learning media will be beneficial in delivering material for students more enthusiastic about during assessment than the writing methods. Media word learning is an educational game-based web platform that can be used as a learning resource components or technology-based assessment instrument that encourages students during learning. Word learning is an educational game-based web platform that can be used as a learning resource components or technology-based assessment instrument that encourages students during learning. The application of word learning media in science and science subjects in class 4 can increase student interest and motivation to learn. Word media allows students to learn in a more interactive and fun way, which in turn increase their level of engagement in learning. Some of the results and findings from these results are changes in student attitude when using word media, and increase in student interest and motivation in learning. Behind all the features offered by this word learning media, there are several drawbacks, namely that creating the presentation of material using this word learning media takes a relatively long time, is prone to cheating, and can only be seen because it is a visual medium. This research aims to determine whether the application of this word learning media will improve the creative thinking abilities of third grade elementary school students, especially in science learning without any assistance from other learning model of methods.
Okay, thank you Rini. Okay, please Mustafa.
Word wall learning media. Media is material or condition deliberately created so that students acquire knowledge, skill, and attitude. Steps for creating media using Word wall: register an account, create an activity, course and template, fill in content, save, share. WordWall is an application-based learning media. There are 18 templates in it. Advantages: interesting, cheap, creative, original, flexible, deeper meaning. Disadvantages: only visual, depends on the internet, takes more time, vulnerable to fraud. Creative thinking ability: the ability to analyze something based on data or information, to generate new ideas and understand something. Choose a template, fill in content, save, share. Indicator of creative thinking: fluency, graduation, originality, and elaboration. Science learning has unique characteristics that focus on direct experience outside the classroom, enriching student understanding.
Okay, thank you, Rini and Mustafa. Furthermore, we will link word learning media with indicator of creative thinking ability. We can see from this talk map that each indicator has a part in all states when this word learning media is implemented. Let's discuss it. The first is original, the second is fluency, then the three, flexibility, and novelty. The first is original, creating the latest content so as to provide a stimulus for students to come up with new ideas or ideas from their own experience when the material is presented on a word wall. Next is fluency. Involvement of students in explaining their own talk with stimuli from image or videos inserted or in the form of quizzes in the game. Next is flexibility. This indicator can be triggered by questions created by educator and then inserted into quizzes or games on the workbook. Of course, with the help of models or other method. Okay, the next, novelty. When applied in group, there will be lots of possibility or discussion, giving rise to talk from various perspectives and creating new talk.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this session, I would like to share about the conclusion. Well, bentar. Using WordWall as a learning medium can make a significant contribution to improving student creative thinking abilities. WordWall provides flexibility in creating creative learning content and can stimulate students to think creatively. The WordWall can encourage student activeness in creative thinking. Learning media can also include video, image, and multimedia elements to support elaboration indicators in students' creative thinking. WordWall allows indicators to design group activities to encourage collaboration between students to think together, thereby creating various perspectives. In creative learning theory, the use of WordWall can be considered as an implementation of this theory and proves that technology in education can support the development of students' creative thinking abilities. In the other words, virtual is only a delivery medium for students to present learning material according to their respective characteristics. Apart from that, learning media can be combined with several models and methods to maximize learning outcomes. Thus, there will be many opportunities for students to express their ideas and various stimuli that educators can create in the learning process. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
That's our presentation. See you at another time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.